Call this losing a duel, you glob! Right here? Is that good? I'm just... Oh.
We better hurry, or he'll lose his head.
Awfully tempting, isn't it?
Blind his many eyes, and the beast can't see you coming.
I've managed to stay alive longer than anyone else here, and I still haven't got them out.
That's because the warships are too
Notice the likes of you.
One on that, they'll be coming after you instead. There.
Man swine!
These scum know better than tarks like you, and I will show everyone here how low that is.
Take him to the ground! Blood for the Dark Lord! I see him there! I will give your corpse to my master! Stand aside and let me kill him! We will hide your corpse from Narcos! If he pushes us on you, it's too late! A worthy foe! I'll cut you apart! Yeah. Get behind him! You won't break my guard that way! You already tried that! We're going to cut you apart! No, you stupid cock! Die, scum! We will... This is it!
call teamwork, eh? Go before I change my mind. What about our deal? Deal is over. Very well then. I just thought that we... Right. Wait! Ranger! Watch this. Once the war chief hears of my victory, he'll make me his personal bodyguard.
And how does this help me?
A backstabbing bodyguard? I'll take care of one of the war chiefs for you. You do the other four on your own. Then we'll meet at the training camp, right? I'll make sure the war chief is there when you're ready for him. What do you say?
Make sure you keep your head on your neck this time.
Yeah, well, that's my plan.
Orcs.
This ratbag led us up the chain of command in spite of himself.
He has a gift for failure.
Be a hell of a lot easier with more prog. Prog? You want more prog?